What's up, y'all? We're back with another one. This is actually, here we are fighting the humidities again. This is actually the day after we almost sank the boat. We're trying for a redemption shot. We're actually on a private lake that my uncle lives on. We have permission to fish. So I know we're gonna have a good day now. Hopefully. And we're gonna see what we can do. This lake's paid off really well for us in the past. A lot of dinks, but a lot of really big fish have come out of here. So we're gonna rig up and see what we can do. There he goes. Oh. Just a dink. Easy release. I know you want it. There he is. Oh, Will. Will, this might be a good fish. Oh, he's all right. Dude, I never felt him pick it up or nothing. Sweet dink. Oh, he ate it. Absolutely choked it. Cool. It's not a bad one for your second fish of the day. Probably, what do you say, pound and a half, 2 pounds? Yeah. There he is. Yeah. Little old dink. Oh, swallowed it. Told you, old wacky rig, son. Oh, be still. Be still, be still. You got your pliers.
I never realized how good that rod was, so I used it for like a week straight and then picked up that Black Max again. Like,
Okay. I swear. That had to have been a duck. Yes, sir. Oh, damn. Oh, good one, good one, good one. Oh, baby, stay on, please. Didn't stay on.
boat flip probably wasn't the best option.
Wasn't. Man, this lake has every opportunity to be an awesome topwater lake, and they just don't want to do it. A bunch of spoiled ass fish. Oh, I watched him come to it. They just don't like the top water. Monster. Yeah, what's a fish? Quick release, what I'm talking about. Oh yeah, there he is. Stop coming at me. Is that a brim? No. Oh, when he jumped, it looked like a bluegill. He jumped right at me. Ow. Sweet. That's a pretty fish. Different what? A different worm?
I got some to do something similar to that. I'll try it out.
I know they really liked white and brown. I've used both of them.
Use what?
White and brown. White.
White.
Woo! There he is.
What is that?
A yellow bass.
I thought it was a shiner. I was like, I didn't know they had.
Might as well be.
Huh?
Said it might as well be.
Yeah.
Damn. Tearing him up.
I got smart with this shit.
Oh, I hooked him through the gill plate, like all the way through the gill
I
plate.
really need to use this crankbait. This is probably one of the prettiest crankbaits I've had.
Oh, yeah. I'm trying, little dude. I'm trying.
If there wasn't some of the grass in here, I'd use it.
Monster. Damn. I don't want to talk about it. Whoops.
I'll be running 2 machines at once.
Yeah. Oh, barely. I'm glad you weren't a big fish.
And then can you stop getting in circles?
Oh, my bad. I need to go bow fishing.
Yeah. I feel bad that 2 times Scott tried to get me to go with him. I wasn't able to both times.
I know. Me too. Is that a fish? Just a fish. Boy, he was just cooling with it. quick release. Boy, hit it like he meant something. Wow, look at this bass's chin. Look how blue it is. That's a pretty fish.
Thanks.
Oh, well, it just ain't as good as it's supposed to be then. Oh.
It make what?
Oh, not cool.
It's like, God damn, it's so hot in the afternoon.
Yeah.
So muggy.
Ooh.
Big booty beaver.
It's a thicker boy. Oh. They're crazy as hell.
Why would you even do that?
Because they ain't supposed to be here, Leroy. That's why.
One of them messes myself. I think they look a lot prettier with a hole through them.
I just don't even acknowledge him. Ooh, ooh, okay, okay, hold up.
I do it still good.
Get him. Get him. Not a bad one. That's a good fish. Well, at least you caught the biggest one of the day. You want me to get him or you gonna get him?
Well, I had the hook out of the dumbass, and now you just put it in. You try to take that.
Lord.
Yeah,
Ooh,
easy killer.
golly. Slick. Damn, about to split my tank. Oh, snap. Not a happy little fella.
Maybe you will.
Oh, my cousin Alex caught a nasty looking bullfrog off Todd's bank. Big old fat son of a gun, look like Jabba the Hutt.
We need to go to the fucking dump lake and probably.
Yeah. Need to go back. Oh, okay. To Cole's Bluff. Oh, I forgot to turn my drag down. I was like, damn. Hey, come here. Hey, come here. Whew, hot today. All right, guys, we just finished up. It is 9:30. We got out here probably around 5:30ish, 6. We had a pretty good day. We caught a bunch of fish. Caught a really nice one, 2 or 3 pound bass, which is pretty big for this lake, even though there's some giants lurking around there. Pretty big for us anyway. But it's hot. It's time to go. The bike kind of tanked off. The SD card in my GoPro kind of screwed up. Luckily I had another one with me and I picked up a little bit more footage. But we had a good time. It was a good time. This is a fun, chill lake to fish on. You don't really got to worry about too many people out here. But if you're liking these kinds of videos, guys, be sure you subscribe. I'm really enjoying making them. I really like making the one yesterday. So if you're enjoying them, subscribe, like, and we will catch you on the next one.